Friends, SBI is recruiting specialist officer on a contractual basis. Applications will be begin from 23rd June and last date will be July 13th. That interested candidates can apply through SBI website here mentioned as sbi.co.in/careers or bank.sbi/careers. Candidates are required to upload their documents such kind of brief resume, ID proof, age proof, educational qualifications, experience, etc. And the shortlisted candidates will be called for an interview. So the post, if you observe that 400 plus posts we have in this recruitment, actually 444 mentioned in that notification. Executive FIMM 241, Senior Executive Social Banking CSR 85, Senior Executive Digital Relations 2 post, Senior Executive Analytics 2 post, Senior Executive Digital Marketing 2 post, Head Product Investment Research 1 post, Central Research Team Portfolio Analysis and Data Analytics 1 post, Central Research Team Support 1 post, Investment Officer 9 post. Along with that, Project Development Manager Technology 1 post, Relationship Manager Backlog 48 post, Relationship Manager Team Lead Backlog 3 post, SME Credit Analyst 20 post, Product Manager 6 post, Manager Data Analyst 2 post, Manager Digital Marketing 1 post, Faculty SBIL Kolkata 3 post, Banking Supervisory Specialist 1 post, Manager Anytime Channel 1 post, Vice President Stressed Assets Marketing 1 post, Chief Manager Special Situation Team 3 post, and Deputy Manager Stressed Assets Marketing 3 post, Data Protection Officer 1 post, Deputy Manager ISID 8 post, Chief Officer Security 1 post. How to apply? We all know that through the SBI website that www.sbi.co.in/careers or bank.sbi/careers. Through we can pay the fee through debit card or credit card or internet banking by following steps you can see here. First we have to visit the official website of SBI, what I mentioned before, and click on careers link given bottom of the page, and then latest announcement sections, click on that relevant link of advertisement, then click online apply, and then click on new registration. Already if you are registered, directly you can log in and fill the form and pay the application fee through your debit card or credit card or internet banking, and then submit your application. And if we see the important dates, 23rd June is opening date of these applications and closing date will be next month, July 13th. And here application fee, if we take for OBC General EWS candidates 750, and SC ST PW there is no fee for them. Eligibility, if we take the minimum age 25 and up to 35 years they can apply. 25 to 35 years are eligible for this post. Next, educational qualifications, they should complete CA Chartered Accountant or MBA Finance, PGDM Finance, PGDBM Finance or any equivalent post graduation degree from the recognized university. Okay. Next, salary. If you come to the salary matter, it ranges from 42,000 to 51,490 for various posts, and along with that basic salary, DA, HRA, CCA, PF, contributory pension fund, and medical facilities, etc. Everything will be provided as per rules. Finally, the documents what you submitted is verified at the time of interview, so you have to provide their original documents during the interview time, and the candidates will not have to appear for any written examination. No written examination, only shortlisted candidates will be called for an interview and there will be 100 marks for that interview. Okay friends, apply for this who are eligible. Thanks for watching.